Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, October 27th. So, what is going on today? Looking at forexfactory.com, you can see that we have zero US numbers. So, no news of interest. Yeah, it is what it is. Remember that the government is still shut down. And yeah, we have our little disclaimer down here at the bottom. U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation. And consequently, we have nothing going on today. So, that being said, let's move on. Looking at the daily chart. So, Friday, we blew through the all time high, closed above the all time high. The blue line is the previous high. There's where we closed on Friday, and now we are gapping up. So, this has the potential to be a specific type of island. There's an island. It can be called an island if it's up here. If we end up, it gets stranded up here, then we'll see what that is. But that being said, it was on mediocre volume on Friday, below average. But we are gapping up about 55 points. So that's a pretty decent gap up. I don't know where this thing's going, but now we have a giant hole in the chart right over here where there's absolutely no volume. Usually that gets filled. So we could easily see a gap and crap today. We'll have to wait and see. Moving on, looking at the Friday price action was positive, and we did have positive inventory, although you can see the giant sell-off in the last hour. I think a lot of people were getting out to limit their risk of overnight and over the weekend exposure. We'll have to see. Obviously, that did not pan out because now we are gapping way up. We'll see what happens. This is unique for sure. Looking at the overnight action, interestingly, it's only 35 points from the low to the high. However, it's about 55 points to the previous close down here, all the way up into here. Where do we have support and resistance? Okay, up above, it's all conjecture. No idea. These are fibs. Fib extension 6901, 692775. I don't think I even have, way up high 6988. So those are fibs, those are guesswork. What do we have on the bottom side? Well, we've got the overnight low. That's about as good as any. 68.65, 68.46, 68.40, 68.25. That would be a close the gap. Below that, 68.12 ish, and the 6800 being the next whole number in the sequence. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 38.1. So there's a 38.1% chance the market will go up today, which means we have a 62% chance the market will be down based on historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. I hope you have a great Monday. Mondays are always very difficult days. I usually lose money on Mondays, so I'll be playing very, very cautiously today. Hope you have a good day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels and trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.